First of all, it was a very good experience for me. It was my first interview as well as my first job, and in the starting I was very nervous for the interview, but as the round levels go up, I was comfortable with it. And first of all, we had GD round. It was a normal group discussion. There were around 15 people, and a topic was given, and we have to give our points over that. And the second round was our test, online test, and it was a normal day-to-day questions were included in that, and it was a very easy point of, and some aptitude questions were there, and it was easy for us. And the third round was HR round, technical plus HR, and technical round was good. Many technical questions were asked, and some puzzles were also asked in that. And in the last round, I was asked more of puzzles instead of technical one. And in that, we were basically being tested for the confidence, that what type of confidence we maintain, what are our communication skills. I was very happy because it was my first job as well as first interview, and totally agreed for that, that I have got the job finally. And my reaction was very high up to the mark. I suddenly, when I came to know that I got selected, I just shouted and I called up my parents. I called him up and said, "Papa, मेरा मतलब last round हो गया है," and he asked कि what is the result for that, and I said I got selected, and he said, "Oh, congrats for the job." He was very happy because I got the job in a MNC like Aon Hewitt. They were also very happy. All of them congratulated me. My relatives called me up for congratulating me, and it was like कि तेरी बहुत अच्छी जगह जॉब लगी है, and that's a MNC, go for it, और बहुत अच्छे से करना उसको. Actually, I was forced for the interview by my friends only. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सुना था इस कंपनी के बारे में, और तो उनका तो रिएक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा था कि हमारे ग्रुप में एटलीस्ट समवन इज़ देयर कि हु इज़ सिलेक्टेड. आई वॉज द फर्स्ट वन हु वॉज सिलेक्टेड इन दिस कंपनी, एंड दे वर very happy for me. I expected this job. Basically, I'm from electronics background. I didn't expected that I will be doing in the IT, but now I'm very comfortable with the IT stuff because electronics companies are less in this NCR region, and this is the IT company, and IT is the more growing company for us. I've done my schooling from Aisher School, Sector 46, Faridabad. I came to know about MBA basically from some seniors who were studying here. I got a good response from them about the faculty and the student architecture and the library and the classrooms. Everything is so enhanced. From there I got to know about this. Okay. MBA. Basically, in the first year we were new to this everything, and after coming in the second year we had our training, 1.5 months training, 3 months training during our summer vacation time, and this groomed our technical knowledge more and more. And as we had come till the third year, we had our 3 months training again. That was more technical. We had our projects, and that was a very grooming session for us, that 3-month training after third year. And at last we have got through this. Teaching faculty is very good, and they are very cooperative. They help us every now and then, whether we are in campus or not. We can get in touch with them and ask our doubts. First of all, in the first year we had Abhishek Rai sir. He's still there in the college. He's a very good teacher. He groomed our comm skills very good, and he used to edit our mistakes in a proper manner. We still remember his classes, the way he groomed our English classes sessions, and it was a very helpful they were very helpful sessions for us. Till now we have a good comm skills because of him, and in the technical side we have our HOD sir, and we have Sandeep Kaushal sir, and they are very good. They help us every now and then. Sir, we have gone more into technical side. We have started thinking in situations more from the technical point of view than from a normal view, and we had a very good time for this because in the BTech we need technical knowledge more of it instead of so we had our session in industrial exposure in Huawei. We had gone there in the Huawei premises, and we had a one-day whole class was there. We got to know what about what basically work is done in Huawei and what type of instruments are there. They had shown our instruments, and it became very helpful for us. Many of the students are still going for 6 months training in Huawei.
Okay.
So this is the training time only that we are undergoing in Aeon Hewitt, and we had a 6-month training and still undergoing a training. We came to know about the exposure of Aeon, what type of work is done in Aeon, and what clients are there, what tools are being used day in day out, and that was basically after 6 months we'll get to know how the work is done, and we'll be given an actual client work, and for that we are still being prepared for that. Of course, the college faculty, we have got a very good faculty here, and outside we won't get now this type of teachings. Basically, starting from the very start of our college, the infrastructure was very good, and now still it's developing, and it is becoming good day by day, and the atmosphere out is very good. Academic ambience is very good because the strictness for the academic sessions are still maintained, and we are given strict instructions for the work that has to be submitted, so we have to do it on time. This teaches us punctuality and determination for the work, so that after the college even we can develop our life in the same ways, like determination, punctuality are the basic things that should be maintained in our life, and after college we'll be helpful with that.